What's up, guys? Welcome back, and today I have got this slime kit. I think no, it's some slimes that I got for Christmas, and I know I own a slime business, but I asked for these specifically to test for content. Just by the way, it's very cold where I'm at right now, and where I'm from, I'm not used to the cold like this, so you know, well, I've been here my whole life, but I mean, it's really cold and it doesn't get that cold here. So anyways, back to this. We're going to be opening them and rating them and stuff. But just to let y'all know, I have the heater running. That's why, because like, it is too cold in here. So it's pretty nice and toasty. It's getting there at least. So we're going to open this up. I'm only going to do a couple of these slimes. So I want to see which ones I want to do. These are probably from like temu or like I asked for these specific ones though because they come with like butter, cloud, clear. So there's quite a few. I think I'm gonna do this clear because it looks like it has jelly cubes in it. And I want to do this. I'm gonna do one of each. So butter and cloud. We're gonna do these ones. So we have a butter slime, a cloud slime, and a clear slime. So let's first open the clear slime one. They got this weird plastic stuff on them. And if we have to change the texture, we will. We're going to just open this up. Oh, guys. I'm not changing this, guys. This is so nice. And it has these... Oh, it smells amazing. And it has these little jelly cubes in it. Okay, guys. I definitely rate this a 10 out of 10 already. This is so nice. Whoever made this slime, you got some skill. I mean, still, ours are probably better because it is kind of rippy. So I changed that rating. I'm going to do like a 8 out of 10. But it is still so nice. We're going to move on now, guys. Now we have butter slime. I'm very much a fan of butter slime. I love it. Which butter slime, it's just clay. Basically. Let me get this open. Okay, so I was able to get the wrapper off. Now let's open it up. Sorry, guys. OMG. Okay. I know I rated the other one too fast, but this is definitely a 10 out of 10, guys. Look at it. It's so stretchy. It's so nice to play with. If y'all want us to mix all these slimes together, comment down below. So yes, definitely a 10 out of 10. I'm not that fan of the color, but I do love the consistency. So that's all that matters. 10 out of 10. Okay, so I just realized it comes with a lot of cute charms and some sprinkle mixes. But I think I'm going to save these for a little while. I might put the charms on. But I noticed it comes with this sticker that says Cloud Slime. Happy times with boys and girls. So... that's a little strange, but that's okay. So I think on this one I'm going to put a watermelon and a peach. And on the clear slime, I'm going to put this unicorn thing and this mermaid. Okay, so that's that. And then we're going to open this cloud and see what I want on it. So I would review all of these, but I just don't have the time. Guys, I love this cloud slime. Okay, for some reason I thought these were not going to be that good of slimes, but I love them, guys. Literally. And they all seem to smell so good. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If y'all want to see more, if y'all want to see us open them all up and mix them together, I'm going to add this little astronaut and this other little unicorn. If y'all want to see us do more videos like this, like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.